What is JSON? JSON is the abbreviation for JavaScript Object Notation. In earlier video, I told you about HTTP protocol that will be using in communicating between the Telegram bot and the trade copier EAs. HTTP protocol is the backbone of internet. See, every website has got this HTTP before it. All the URLs, all the domain names start with HTTP. Now they start with HTTPS, colon forward slash forward slash. So this is the api.telegram.org URL HTTPS. So HTTPS indicates that this server is using the HTTPS protocol. Since I have provided the token, so I've been able to get this message. I've just posted this message on my Telegram bot, and this is the format that now will be transmitted on the internet. This is the JSON format. See, this is curly braces. In them, this is string OK, that is true. String result, and it is a bracket, that means it is an array. And within this array, there are other objects. All these strings are objects. And colon after that, it is their value. So JSON is JavaScript Object Notation. It's a key. It's a key value notation or object value notation. And it is also used a lot on the internet, especially in the HTTPS protocol. HTTP is just a secure form of the HTTP protocol. I had explained this thing previously. I have posted this message: buy limit / and new line £, buy limit / 240 means 4 hour / and means new line 3 is the bar number / new line 0 is the low of that bar / and 3 is the magic number / 2 is the risk percentage. We need to read this message. This message has got an update ID. We need this update ID also. And we need this chat ID. Chat ID will be used when the trade copier EA will send the message to the Telegram bot. This is the OK true, means that this message has been successfully downloaded, and result is the response from the API Telegram api.telegram.org. This is the JSON format. This is what JSON is. These are the objects. You can call them variables. In JavaScript, they are known as objects. We can call them variables. We can call them keys. Just these are the variables. Keep it simple. These are the variables and these are their values. This result is basically an array. This square bracket, I told you that arrays always start with square brackets. And between these square brackets, there are these objects, more objects. So this is the raw form of this JSON. Let's say see it in a pretty form. So this is a pretty form. Result first is OK. It is true. We have downloaded this message successfully. Result 0 index has got this update ID. 22194197 we will need it because each message will have its own update ID, and we will keep track of these messages through this update ID. Then this message ID we don't need it, from this ID we don't need it. Then we need this chat ID. We need this chat ID when the trade copier EA is going to message the Telegram bot. And this is the signal that we need to read. This is the signal that a trade copier EA will need to read. So the trade copier EA will need to first download this message, and from that message it should read this update ID, this one. Then it should read this chat ID, this one, and then it should read this text, this one. Rest of the things are irrelevant for us. We don't need them. I hope now it is clear what is JSON. JSON is this format. All the messages on the internet using HTTPS protocol, most of the messages use this JSON format. This is the standard. So this Telegram bot will give this message in JSON format, and the trade copier EA will read this message, and as I told you, we need this update ID, we need this chat ID, and we need this text.